What's up, Yon World? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, we're going to be going over how to add a music link at the end of your YouTube video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Let's get straight into it. So this method I'm going to teach you is helpful for artists, aspiring artists that have audio tracks or video tracks on YouTube, and they want to link the buy link to iTunes at the end of their video. This method only currently works with Apple Music and iTunes. I tried Tidal and I also tried Spotify and it didn't work. But how you would do it is you would go into your YouTube channel, you would go into Video Manager, and in the videos, out of the selection of videos you have, select the video you want to add the link to. Then on that video, in the editing back page, you would go to end screens and annotations at the top. And when you go to end screens and annotations, you have to add an element, right? Add an element, and you go to link. And here is where you would enter in your iTunes, Apple Music link. And you see, you can add crowdfunding sites using this method, and you can also add merchandising sites. But right now we're adding a music link. YouTube is very picky about the sites, so you can go in here and test and see what sites you can add on your end screens. But right now we're going to add an Apple Music link, and then you press next. Once it's approved, once it goes through, you'll see you have to select the title and a call to action. For Apple Music, I normally select download, and this image won't stay, so I just go to the image I already have pre-saved and I create the element. Now with the end screen, you have to add 2 elements. So when you upload an album on Apple Music, you know, it should be more than 1 song. So you just add, or you add a link to another song. Let me show you. Just add element, go to video, choose the video, and then for this one, I'm gonna just add the intro. And you would drag it over, fit, then you save. And we could preview it. So yeah, you see how you can just stroll over it now, and you see the download link. Click download. And it takes you to my link. So that's how you add a music link to the end of your video, to the end of your YouTube video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. It's your boy Yon World. Peace.